There are racetracks, places where speed is tested and limits are pushed, and then there is the Nürburgring, a name that resonates with fear and respect in equal measure. Deep in Germany's Eifel Mountains, nestled amongst the trees, this isn't just a track, it's something far greater. It's a legend, whispered in garages and celebrated on podiums. A beast, untamed and unforgiving. A proving ground, a crucible where both car and driver are forged in the fires of competition. Jackie Stewart, the racing icon, famously called it the Green Hell, and for good reason. Its treacherous layout and unpredictable nature have earned it that moniker. For decades, it's been the ultimate test, a trial by fire for any machine or driver daring enough to challenge it. A place where engineering hype is shredded, where marketing claims are put to the ultimate test, and only true performance matters. The stopwatch never lies. The Nürburgring is more than a circuit. It's a living, breathing entity. It's a character in the story of the car, a constant presence in the automotive world. With blind crests that launch cars skyward, punishing curbs ready to upset even the most seasoned driver, and unpredictable weather that can change in an instant, turning a dry run into a treacherous slide. A fast lap here is a declaration of supremacy, a testament to engineering prowess and driving skill, echoing across the industry, setting the standard for performance and handling. Today, it's the benchmark for the world's fastest cars, the ultimate proving ground. A multi-million-dollar obsession for manufacturers, all vying for the coveted title of Nürburgring champion. How did this dangerous old track become the epicenter of performance? What makes it so special? It's a story of history, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of speed, a story etched in every corner and straightaway. Let's dive in and see how the Green Hell came to life, from its humble beginnings to its current legendary status, and why it still commands respect, fear, and admiration from all who dare to challenge its might. To truly understand the mystique and the challenge of the Nürburgring, you have to go back to 1920s Germany, a nation rebuilding and seeking to assert its industrial prowess. The country needed a powerful showcase, a symbol of its engineering excellence and automotive innovation. So it embarked on a monumental project to build a massive, incredibly challenging circuit, part dedicated racetrack, designed to test the limits of both man and machine, and part public road, seamlessly integrated into the surrounding Eifel Mountains. By 1927, the original sprawling 28-kilometer Gesamtstrecke officially opened, a testament to German engineering ambition. Combining the daunting Nordschleife, the Northern Loop, and the Südschleife, its southern counterpart. The Nordschleife, quickly becoming infamous, boasted over 150 corners, each one a unique test of skill and courage, and a staggering 300 meters of elevation change, creating a relentless rollercoaster ride through the German countryside. It quickly earned a reputation, and a well-deserved one, as the world's most dangerous and demanding circuit. It was a staple of Formula One racing for many years, a true proving ground for the sport's greatest drivers. But as cars got exponentially faster and more powerful, the inherent risks of the Nordschleife became simply unacceptable. Niki Lauda's horrific 1976 crash, a near-fatal accident, proved to be the final straw. F1 left the Nordschleife seeking safer venues, and a modern, safer Grand Prix circuit was built right next door to accommodate the demands of modern racing. But the legendary old Nordschleife, far from fading away, found a vibrant new life, becoming the ultimate proving ground, the benchmark test track for car development and performance evaluation. Its brutal and unforgiving mix of challenging corners, dramatic elevation changes, and unpredictable conditions made it the perfect, albeit punishing, automotive laboratory for manufacturers around the globe. The Green Hell, as it was famously nicknamed by Jackie Stewart, was reborn, solidifying its place as the world's toughest and most respected proving ground for automotive excellence. Before lap times made headlines, engineers quietly used the Nordschleife to push prototypes to their limits. Dauerlauf, endurance running, meant weeks of relentless testing, forging cars that could survive anything. Soon, tested at the Nürburgring became a badge of honor and a marketing goldmine. As journalists started publishing lap times, the pressure was on. It wasn't enough to test here. You had to be fast. Manufacturers began chasing lap records, pouring resources into special ring packages and engineering tweaks, The track evolved from a secret test site to the ultimate performance benchmark. Rivalries intensified, and the quest for the fastest lap became a global obsession. The Green Hell was now the stage for automotive bragging rights. The era of epic lap time battles had begun. As the calendar turned towards the late 2000s, a new era of automotive rivalry was dawning. The legendary Nürburgring, with its daunting curves and unforgiving straights, was about to become a proving ground, a true battleground for giants. Porsche, the Stuttgart-based icon, and Nissan, the Japanese powerhouse, were ready to lock horns. Porsche's 911, a symbol of German engineering and performance, was the homegrown hero, a natural contender on its familiar turf. But in 2007, everything changed. Nissan's GT-R, a technological marvel from the East, stunned everyone, challenging the established order. It delivered a blistering lap time that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Accusations flew, questioning the GT-R's methods and challenging its legitimacy. Intense rivalries ignited, fueled by national pride and the pursuit of ultimate performance. Driven by this fierce competition, both brands returned year after year, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Each attempt was faster than the last, shaving off precious seconds. But the story doesn't end there. Soon, Lamborghini crashed the party, adding another layer to the competition. The Italian marque arrived with the Huracan Performante, a raging bull ready to charge. It stormed the track, smashing existing records and setting a new benchmark for performance. This audacious move forced Porsche to respond, igniting a renewed sense of urgency. The bar kept rising higher and higher, pushing the limits of engineering and driving skill. With every tenth of a second fiercely contested, the competition became incredibly intense. And it wasn't just the realm of supercars that felt the Nürburgring's influence. Even hot hatches, those nimble and spirited compact cars, like the Renault Megane RS, a French contender known for its sharp handling, and the Honda Civic Type R, a Japanese icon with a racing pedigree, waged their own intense wars, battling for supremacy in their class. The goal? To claim the title of the fastest front-wheel drive car on the ring. Seat, the Spanish automaker, and Volkswagen, the German giant, also joined in the fray, adding to the intensity. Each new model was meticulously designed and rigorously tested, all with the ring in mind. The Green Hell, with its treacherous corners and unpredictable conditions, became the ultimate kingmaker, the final arbiter of performance. It played a pivotal role in shaping the evolution of performance cars, influencing design and engineering decisions. This influence extended across every segment, from the most exclusive supercars to the most accessible hot hatches. Every lap was a statement of intent, a declaration of engineering prowess, and every record broken became a new chapter in the ongoing rivalry, fueling the passion and driving innovation. The Nürburgring was now, more than ever, the ultimate arena for automotive competition, a place where legends were forged and reputations were made. And the world, captivated by the drama and the spectacle, was watching with bated breath. The chase for lap records drove real innovation. The ring's challenges forced breakthroughs in aerodynamics, suspension, and braking. Lamborghini's ALA system and Porsche's rear axle steering were born here, as were advanced tires from Michelin and Pirelli. These technologies trickled down to everyday cars, making them faster and safer. The rivalry turned the Nürburgring into a high-speed R&D lab. Engineers couldn't just add power, they had to rethink every aspect of the car. Each new record pushed the industry forward. The Green Hell's relentless demands made our cars better. In 2025, the Nürburgring remains the ultimate benchmark. No simulator or test track can match its real-world challenge. Now, electric cars like the Porsche Taycan and Tesla Model S Plaid are battling for supremacy, pushing battery and motor tech to new limits. The ring is open to the public, letting anyone experience its legend firsthand. It connects enthusiasts to the pinnacle of engineering. No other place does that. The Nürburgring is the heart of car culture, a place where passion and progress collide. Its rivalries have given us faster, safer, more exciting cars. As long as there are drivers and dreamers, the Green Hell will reign as the ultimate test of greatness.